Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle Ultra Classic CVO with 16,913 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an oil pump, adjustable push rods, a fueling cam plate, Redshift 577 cams, diamond cut 110 heads and jugs, a windshield, mirrors, and a Garmin GPS mount. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and electronic locking luggage. The Electroglide is a paragon of the touring class, punctuated by hardy performance and premium rider comfort. The CVO variant takes it in a factory custom direction, complete with a stunning paint set and sleek accessories. In stock form, the Electroglide is powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, putting 118 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 889 pounds and has a 27.8 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.